The TURBRO H8BP Diesel Heater rapidly warms up any space with a powerful output that efficiently heats even in extreme cold conditions as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. With its high fuel efficiency, this heater can operate for up to 31.25 hours on a single refuel, ensuring long-lasting warmth without frequent refueling. Its versatile design is suitable for a wide range of applications, from vehicles and boats to camping and garages, thanks to its compatibility with both DC and AC power sources. The smart control options, including a colored LCD, remote, and Bluetooth application, allow for easy operation and energy-saving temperature adjustments. This heater is equipped to handle high-altitude environments, maintaining stable performance up to 16,400 feet, and includes advanced safety features to detect and communicate any issues. Installation is straightforward with all necessary accessories included, making it a convenient choice for those looking to set it up themselves.